Welcome to the WESCON 2020, which is the annual conference of Institute of Indian Foundrymen Western Region to be hosted on 14th and the 15th of December 2019 in Mumbai. This grand event is organized by the vibrant Greater Mumbai chapter at the Retreat Hotel and Convention Centre, which is a sea-facing luxury beach resort at the Madh Islands of Mumbai. Situated in Malad West, which is 20 kilometers from the Mumbai airport, having very good connectivity. The Retreat Hotel and Convention Centre, Madh Island, is a perfect weekend getaway from Mumbai for people looking to take a break from the daily hassles of a metropolitan lifestyle. Featuring modern facilities and services, the Retreat Hotel in Madh Island is well known for its hospitality and serene surroundings. From the beachside swimming pool to the guest rooms and suites, everything here will pamper you with luxury and comfort. Mumbai's cosmopolitan culture attracts thousands of businesses and individuals every year. Considered as the land of opportunities, the city has a long history of inspiring success stories. Living in Mumbai, you witness a veritable fusion of history and modernity, reflected by the British-era cityscape and the modern skyscrapers.
On behalf of Greater Mumbai chapter of IIF, it gives me immense pleasure to invite all my fellow Foundrymen to WESCON 2020, hosted in Mumbai this year. Our theme is a mix of technical, commercial and management topics to provide an equilibrium in learning and idea sharing for all our delegates. This year, we are trying to harness the true potential of digital platform by introducing YouTube Live for our overseas delegates, Tech Mart and exhibition cubicles for showcasing the new technologies and innovation of foundry industry.
In past 2 years, the young and dynamic team of Greater Mumbai chapter has been quintessential in implementing innovative activities for the IIF Mumbai's chapter.
Western region is one of the vibrant regions among 4 regions of Indian Institute of Foundrymen. It is also the largest contributor to foundry ecosystem of our nation, with world-class manufacturing facilities in areas like Kolhapur, Rajkot, Ahmedabad, Pune, etc. Western region comprises of 8 chapters having strength of more than 1,000 foundrymen. In line with the main objective of IIF as a dissemination of foundry knowledge, we at Western region hold many activities to promote the new technology and skill upgradation of the Indian foundry industry.
The eminent speaker at WESCON 2020 will be delivering technical presentations. Export potential for MSME Foundries Sudhakar Kasture. Finding opportunities in uncertain times Samish Dalal. Manufacturing pattern equipments for quality castings BK Mane. Making successful, sustainable MSME foundry with best practices, Sandeep Kulkarni. New avenues to get finance for MSME BM Gen. In the evening we have entertainment programs lined up. Over 200 delegates will be attending the conference, which will offer an opportunity for all delegates to exchange ideas of foundry activities.
Our young team of GMC Mumbai has planned a power-packed technical session, Tech Mart, and of course, an enjoyable, entertaining evening. I'm sure by the time you leave, you will be going enriched with a lot of knowledge and also with valuable network between foundry fraternity. Welcome to Mumbai WESCON 2020.
Diamond supporters of WESCON 2020, Metal Power Analytical Private Limited, and Plasma Induction. For delegate registration and sponsorship, please contact IIF Greater Mumbai chapter.